Today, we're gonna make avocado chips. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Daniel. Just a little precursor. This channel is for intermediate to advanced chefs. Sorry, I had to Google that. This channel is for intermediate to advanced chefs only. If you're a beginner, this channel is not for you. I go through a lot of really advanced techniques and technical recipes. But if this sounds like content that you'd be into, sprinkle a little salt over that subscribe button there. As mentioned, I'm going to be making avocado chips. I just started keto a little while ago because I'm fat. Ugh. The best way to get rid of fat is to eat more fat. Anyways, I was farting around the old internet there and came across a website that said recipe for avocado chips. I was like, what? Avocado chips? So I haven't watched it. Maybe I should have. But whatever. Let's just figure it out. Okay.
Some chip and dip, watch some cartoons.
Step 1, avocado. Okay, smash an avocado. Whoa. Whoa, getting ahead of myself here. Okay. Oh, I see there's Parmesan. I don't think I have Parmesan. I have avocado, so I'm going to get an avocado. I got a bag. I'm more prepared than I thought. I see they had one avocado on there, but these are going bad. They might already be bad. Oh, those are squishy. I'm going to do 2. Okay, you wanna grab a bowl to mash the avocado. And I need a knife and a spoon. Okay, this is the only clean knife I have right now, and this is the only clean spoon. So we'll use those, and we're gonna cut open the avocado. Boom. So, very simple. Avocado number 2. And go ahead and scoop that one out too. All right. Then they mashed it with a fork. I got a fork. I'm just gonna mash it. Yeah. That mash, avocado mash. Yeah. It's good. Avocado is mashed. All right, so I saw they had Parmesan on there. Let's see what we got. I don't have any Parmesan. All I have is fake cheese that's gone bad. Let's think. Okay, Parmesan's probably, it's for flavor, for one, for sure. But it's probably maybe like a binding agent. I could use an egg, right? I can use an egg. We are doubling the recipe, so we're going to go ahead and use 2 eggs instead of Parmesan. Man, I got to start looking into these things. Grab a bowl. Oh, that was aggressive. Shit. I'm going to try something a little bit different here. Let's, oh, that was pretty good. A little bit of shell in there. A little bit's okay. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and whisk it. Is that too much egg? Just going to pour some of it in. And pour all of it. I'm going to pour some in and stir it around. Well, it's really mushy. I don't know if this was a good idea. I'm going to put it all in. Screw it. So the mash has become quite liquidy, but it's an egg. It'll harden when we cook it. Where's my towel? Almost forgot. I got a new apron. April got it for me for Christmas. Okay, so the Parmesan has gone in. Let's see what's next. Oh, my mouse got an egg. Oh, I was looking for a towel. Okay, Parmesan. Oh, garlic powder. Holy shit. Garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and lemon juice. Okay, I got 3 things. Garlic powder. Ooh! Italian seasoning. Okay. I don't have any garlic powder or lemon, but I have chopped minced garlic and lemon pepper. Okay, we'll give that a shot. You want to go ahead and just add your spices. Italian seasoning in there. Throw some, whoa. Throw some lemon pepper in there. And we're going to go ahead and just chuck some minced garlic in. Oh, she's fresh. Oh, yeah. Did it say how much? Whatever. Once you get your seasonings in there, give her a good stir. Oh, it actually doesn't smell very good. More Italian seasoning. Mess. Okay, what's next? Stirring. Okay, we did that. Oh, putting it on a cookie sheet. Bake 320. Oh, I need. Oh, and then it's done. Oh, that seems so simple. Oh my god, it looks so good. Hold on, let's rewind it. Okay, bake at 325. 25 minutes. I'm hungry now. Okay, so we need to cook it on 325 for, what was it? 20 minutes? 25, something like that. So I need a cookie sheet. Oh, I should preheat. Preheat the oven to 325. Started. Cookie sheet. God, this mouse is gonna die. Okay. Did they have parchment paper? Can't remember. It's probably a good idea. I wonder if I have parchment paper. Ta-da! Parchment paper. Is there a right side to this? Doesn't say. It's probably fine. So they had a nice little scooper. Think this will work? I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup measuring cup. Scoop it. Oh, that's big. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna not fill it up all the way. I don't know. At this point, I just don't know. I grabbed this thing, this spatula. Okay, and I'm just gonna like flatten it out or something, I think. Seems like a good idea in my head. I know they didn't. Oh god, that one's touching. So I'm just spreading it out a little bit so they don't take as long to cook. Yeah, because this is moist, right? This is moist. It's gonna take a while to cook. That's why it's 25 minutes. God, just go buy some. What am I doing? Okay, so here are my avocado chips. Oh, I should probably cut that off. That's a thing. I don't know where my scissors are. Nope. Careful. Cut away from yourself. That's pretty good. Okay. While it's preheating, I'm going to do a little cleanup. Oven is preheated, so we're going to go ahead and throw those in for about 25 minutes. Oh, whew. Frick, that's hot. Maybe set a timer. I'm just going to check to make sure I didn't forget anything. Ooh, they have dip.
Watch some cartoons.
Okay, we smashed it. Eggs, garlic, Italian, lemon pepper. Mixed it. Baking pan, parchment paper. That's it. Then voila, avocado chips. Delish. They had dip though. Well, let's make a dip. So for this one, I'm gonna make my favorite keto dip. Shout out to Jay for showing me this one. Love it. Eat it almost every day. So usually I use Usually I use like a whole grain mustard, but they didn't have any at the grocery store. So I got stone ground Dijon, some Miracle Whip with olive oil, and sriracha. It's almost out. Just like some out of it. So what you want to do, 3 tablespoons of mayo. 1, 2, 3. And I don't know, I just throw a bunch of mustard in there. I think this is new. Yeah. I hate these lids. Look, it doesn't even... Oh, man. So then I'm just going to pour a bunch in here. Not much is probably fine. Maybe a little bit more. Then I like my hot sauce. I'm going to go ahead and pour a bunch of that in there. And you stir it up. That'll be our dip. Oh. Definitely recommend the whole grain mustard. I don't think this stuff's very good with it. Oops. It's better. Still, whole grain's the way to go. Buzzer's going off. So it's been 25 minutes. It's annoying. Oh. Oh, they don't look done. Oh, ow. Oh, that's hot. Ooh. I actually think they're getting there. Ow. I think they're getting there. See, when I do this, they're kind of bendy. Ow! Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. And put it back in. Ow! I'm gonna throw the timer on for 10 minutes and then give it a flip. Buzzer's going off again. Shut that off. We're gonna take a peek here. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh. Ow. Okay. Hold on, I need a trivet. I don't have a trivet. Use this. Oh, they're looking not bad. Not bad so far. We're gonna give them a flip. Whoa, they held. Bam. Whoa, they kind of look good. Okay. It's happening. I think the egg worked. So that's them flipped. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for a little bit. I don't know for how long. Maybe 6 minutes. Feels good. Nope, not 60. Nope, stop. It's ready. I think. We'll take a look. Ow. Okay. That looks pretty good. They're a little soft. I think I'm gonna flip them and broil it. Yeah. So we'll turn the oven off, hit broil. I'm gonna have low. Kind of have a history of burning stuff on broil, so I'm really gonna watch this. I'm getting bored, so I'm gonna move it to the top rack and put it on high. Starting to brown already. Oh, she's sizzling. Oh yeah, smelling good. Okay, one's starting to burn a little bit. It's really thin. And take the one out that's burning. Ow! Oh, it's hot. Ow! Okay, I took the one out that's burning. Oh, it's hot. Oh, yeah. Okay, they're giving off a little bit of smoke. Okay, I think we're good. I'm starting to see some black. Ow! Be sure to turn the oven off. There's the final product. Avocado chips. Kind of want to compare them. A little different. A little spongy. Maybe they were too thick. Maybe I could have divided this out to like 12. I guess I did double the recipe. I probably should have done that. So I guess I'm going to taste it. Try it without the dip first. It's alright. Probably use some more seasoning. That's where the dip comes in. Oh, that actually doesn't go good together at all. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're not bad by themselves. That dip's not good with it. So that's it for today's episode of Cooking with Daniel. Thanks for tuning in. There will be a link to my first video somewhere there or there. And yeah, if you have any recipes you want me to give a shot, throw it down in the comments and I'll take a look. Until next time on Cooking with Daniel. I just tried some of the bacon. It's really good.